Hi everyone, my name is Michael, and I'm presenting the Slingshot submission for my team Código. Código Hub is an open source IoT firmware distribution facility, and we are using Filecoin for all our storage needs. Currently, we don't have users because we've just launched, but our targeted users are companies and developers who are developing open source firmware and are willing to publish it to everyone, and also users from hobbyists to even like network operators who are looking for a central distribution facility to obtain firmware from and also manage their IoT devices. Our technical design is as follows. So our React app hosted on Flick interacts with the Filecoin network through a hosted PowerGate instance provided by Textile. And when a developer wants to publish some firmware, they just provide a description, device details, and also the source code and the binary, and the app will read the files, and then at the moment we will concatenate them as a single file with the size appended, and then push it to Filecoin through Textile. And then when the storage deal is completed successfully, we keep a Ethereum smart contract which tracks all the CIDs that can be later retrieved and either downloaded locally or deployed directly to a device. So a user can just access the platform and type a search keyword, and they will be able to see all the relevant firmware contributions. At the moment, we have deployed Código on código-hub.com, and anyone can use it as long as they register for a free account. The landing page is a one-stop shop for all the user activity on the platform. And if you want to add a managed device, you can just fill this dialog with the name and also the locations if you want to show it on your map. And the device talking MQTT will be able to interact with Código Hub, and you will be able to see its active status and also deploy firmware directly to it. If you are a developer and you would like to publish firmware to the platform, you just fill the description, the device type, provide the binary and the source code, and Código Hub will merge the binary file with the source code, a single file at the moment, push it to Filecoin, and then when the storage deal is completed, they will register it with the firmware repository smart contract. Eventually, we're looking to either zip them, probably zip the files, or make them a directory and zip them, so it's easier to download it and split the files. If you're a user and you're looking for firmware, you can just search for it, for example, with a device type, and then you'll be the CID is fetched from Ethereum, and then the source code and the binary can be downloaded from Filecoin. You are able to see the source code and the contribution details, such as for which device, the Filecoin root CID for this deal, and some community metrics such as number of likes and number of downloads. And you can either download it locally or deploy it directly to the device if it's online.